ladies and gentlemen, I'm Fennia and I'll be your host to tell you about Schoology and how to operate it as daily basis learning management system. This guide consists of detailed explanation on different features and different tools Schoology uses for you to use, including with step-by-step walkthroughs. I am pretty sure these tutorials I'll be giving you will be more than enough for you to use to run your classes on a daily basis efficiently. Now, first thing first, Schoology is an online course management system that allows teachers to create and manage educational system for their students. It provides teachers with a method of managing lessons, engaging students, and sharing content conveniently. Also, Schoology is suitable for any level of learners, kindergarten, elementary, junior high school, or even adult learners, because this platform is just more than enough for us to give out lessons or to run our classes as usual as we do. Now, first thing first, I will tell you how to sign up into the platform. Signing up. First, you have to go to www.schoology.com and click sign up at the top of the page and choose instructor, which is a word Schoology uses for teacher. Fill out the required data such as your name, your email, and your password. The last step in the section will be confirming that you aren't a robot by CAPTCHA, then you can click register. When you're finished with that, you will need to fill out some data further regarding your institution, such as your country, your city, and what school you are teaching. And now moving on to creating courses or classes for your students. First, you have to click on the course button on the menu bar, and on the course page, you click on the create course button. There will be a pop-up and you will need to fill out a form with the name of the course, which means the name of the subject, and with the rest of the form. If you are teaching many classes and many subjects, you have to create multiple courses so you can get each classes or subjects under control. It will look like this. Adding students into the courses or classes. You have to open the course you have created and you will see in the corner bottom there is a green square with access code for you to share to your students. When your students are logging in into their account, they will be asked for codes and they can insert your code to join your classes. Giving assignments or materials in the courses or the classes. In the courses, you can literally give your students anything you ever need in your classrooms. Assignments, materials, files, homeworks, anything. First, you need to open the class you need to share things to, and you click on the add material, so you will need to choose what will you share to the class, whether it's assignments, quiz, assessment, files, and many things else. Now for assignments, you will click on the add assignment button and you fill out the form, name of the assignment, the description, due date, and your grading setup, which I will describe further in a minute. And you can see these little dots on the bottom of the form. This means your assignments is for individual submission. Meanwhile, this lock icon means your students cannot submit the assignment if the due date is over. When you're done with your setting, you can click create and that is it. The assignment is given. Grading setup. When you are about to give your students assignments, you are served with options on how you will grade the assignments, whether it's rubric or numeric like 66, 89, or 98. You click on the create new and you will see the rubric page. Name the rubric and you can add more tables as much as you need, but I will make 3 columns for example. Column 1, 2, and 3. Say column 1 is for pronunciation, 2 is for fluency, 3 is for vocabulary if I need my students to do some speaking skill exercises, and we can arrange the grading scale as we want it to be. Grading system on Schoology. When you open your course or class that you have created before, you go to grade setup on the left menu. You will see categories, which will be the consideration of overall grading of the students. For example, we take 30% from middle exam, 40% from the final exam, 20% from daily participation, and 10% from attendance. We can arrange that however we want it to be. To add another category, you can click this add button and fill out the form. And to grade your students' work, you go back to the course main page and you can see the little reminders on the right side of the page. This is the place for your ungraded assignments. If you click on it, you will see what you need to grade. For example, this sample assessment, you click it and you see what you need to grade based on the highlighted button. Another example is this exam PPT. You click it and you see the rubric grading and you have met before. And on the right side, it's a place if you have an assignment you haven't graded. You can see what your students turn to you without needing to download every single file. And to grade it, there is a button on the top of the page. If you click it, you will see the rubric again, and you just need to click on the grade that your students deserve. You can also add comment on their works, whether they need to work on something or somewhat. To see the whole gradebook for your class, you can click on the gradebook on the left menu. You will see a list of your students and their grades that you gave them for their works all the semester. Taking attendance would be our last tutorial for today. Taking attendance. To take attendance of your students, you go to the course or the class and you click on the attendance menu. You will see a list of your students and you can click on the date you are teaching them. One click if they are present, but couple clicks if they dismiss the class. This is so interesting and quite simple for you to use. That is how we use Schoology. It is quite simple for anyone to use, including those who are not as familiar with technology as us. And that would be it. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this video will be useful for anyone and have a good day.